Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Word with the document open. Make a backup copy before editing. First, open View and enable navigation pane so you can jump straight to the troublesome page. Next, toggle Show/Hide Paragraph to expose paragraph marks and manual page breaks. This helps you see why the page exists. Once done, click the page in the navigation pane to select it and make sure the caret is at the start of the content you plan to remove. Now you'll remove the page material itself. Use Ctrl+G, type the page number, press Enter, then close. That jumps you to the exact page. Click at the top, hold Shift, and click at the bottom to select everything, or use Select All on that page area. Delete manual page breaks and extra paragraph marks with Delete or Backspace. If something won't go, check headers, footers, and section breaks because those can force a blank page to persist. Finish by confirming the page is gone and the document flows properly. If a blank page remains at the end, reveal paragraph and delete a trailing section break. Note that some section breaks are required for layout, so convert unwanted next page breaks to continuous in page layout. If deletion disturbs formatting, temporarily reduce the final paragraph font to 1 or tweak spacing. When satisfied, save. Troubleshooting tip: if layout breaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.